in front of me I've got TCL 605. In this video I'll show you how to transfer files. In the beginning you can transfer files from smartphone to Google Drive and in reverse. In order to do it, make sure that you are logged to your Google account on your smartphone. Next, go to Drive and tap plus. Select file you would like to upload. And it's done. Next, prepare external drive like this USB stick. Connect it to your smartphone. And now find OTG setting. If you can't find it like this, you can always find it in System Settings or Developer Settings. Now, let's go to Files app. Allow. And here at the bottom, you can find all storage devices. You can find internal storage or your external drive. Select file you would like to transfer. And select Move to. Select internal storage, select folder, and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.